Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day here, not only for Tesla, but the entire markets were had a rough day. That's really the best way to probably put that. And when you stop and look at Tesla, at least it's not a situation where the markets were having a fantastic day and then Tesla here was having some sort of day like this. So, I mean, it was still a bad day, but it makes a little bit more sense on why. But really, the very interesting dynamic here that stands out to me and that a lot of people are going to be wondering about is with that last 30 minutes, that craziness, the price is actually broken now down below. Right here, you can see where it closed, but it's broken down below these areas where before the prices bounce. So does that guarantee anything? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But is it a more than valid question? Is it a more than, rational thought to be having, hey, is this the start of something that much more bearish to the downside? It very well could be with the violation of that. And that is why it's definitely smart and wise to be looking at where some of these next potential area, I guess I didn't need to go by that far. There we go. Where some of these next levels of support are at. And in fact, you can see right there, that was also a former area of support. So a lot of history right around that area, which again, with the last 30 minutes violated, like I said, not a guarantee, but could this be the start of a whole lot more downside selling pressure? It's something that could very well happen. And that is why, I want to map out these next couple areas of support because they could very well be coming into play here. But if this is the start of something bigger to the downside, then it would not be shocking at all now to see the price revisit down there around the $400 mark, if not even probably the $399-ish mark to be more exact. So that would be the next key area of support. And if somehow the price goes down there and that level can't even hold, next level after that of support would be down around the $392.50 mark. So definitely keep an eye on these three areas of support. As far as areas of resistance, so if the price decides it wants to try to snap back up, key level of resistance on any sort of movement back to the upside is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued. We'll just call it at $417. But yeah, crazy movement today. We'll see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.